Gymnast Show. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, today me and my brother will be playing Chainsaw, and we will wait for my brother to join the game. Yeah guys, I'm gonna play the game, We just have to wait for him to come to Roblox real quick. And this is like only 3 of us, cause it's kind of hard for people, and they started leaving, guys. So I decided to play it.
Why am I not doing, guys?
He's gonna come in a second. It's kind of laggy.
It's not working now.
You have to. Oh, hold on.
Hold on. Okay, go here.
And I'll clear
all.
And then go back to Roblox, and I will let you win.
Be quiet too. Oh, guys, it worked.
So you have to be extra quiet to let him in.
Don't leave. Now there's like 4 people.
Just like.
Wait,
We need like more people in this game, because a lot of people have been leaving game. Mr. Chain Oz Factory. You're at the top.
No, I'm not.
Oh, it's kind of loading. You're loading. That's why. Wait, or you can just go to Friends Activity. Go back in. And then scroll down. Go here. Here. That's the game I was playing. We gotta do this. Now you just need a reverse. And then that will let you in.
Now press it.
Now listen.
That's what it is if you press it.
And then it lets you in.
Zombie train stall? Train stall. Guys, that's
Chain all.
We have the same hair.
It's chain all.
We have the same hair, you know.
Because you started to copy me because you liked it.
I want to be like Daddy Play. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. I'm gonna open the door. But don't forget the lights are off, so it's gonna be a tricky.
What are they about to do to us?
Alex, follow me though.
What are they about to?
They will kill you after you touch them.
How?
Over here. Like over here. He doesn't really know how to play it. Over here. So you don't have wings. You're lucky. Okay, go over here. Because that's the trick right there. So
why do they want to kill us?
Because the doctor is making them. Oh, come on, quick. Come on. Now's your chance. This one is my chance. I had double luck. I got a double chance. I had a double chance.
Yeah, what?
I had a double chance to come through. What? How did you not die? You literally... Come quick.
I said, oh yeah, that's good.
Why? Because it pokes your butt?
No.
Alex, I fell down and I literally down here. Because when I died, it just took me down here. Because I was too good.
Oh yeah.
What?
I don't know why I'm saying that. Oh my god. Why?
Come up here. It's easy.
Shut up. Mommy.
If you had, if you,
Yo! Oh, what is this?
it's easy. Press.
What? I have a lot of Robux, dude.
I know.
So I can get that so I can cheat, okay? Does that make me
Mm.
cheat or something?
Yes. So would you like to buy it?
Yeah, I have a lot in this.
It will give you 100. What? It will give you 11,077 Robux.
What the?
Let me show you how to do it. So I used to do this before. So you do that, and you just press over there. Oh my!
Oh,
What the freak?
you have to jump.
Make it up there. So you have to make it up top like this.
Okay. That's. Oh yeah.
You would like to buy the rainbow carpet?
Yes, I can choose it.
That would be too easier. Wait, and you're gonna leave me too?
It's rainbow. I was about to say, it's rainbow taco.
What? That doesn't. It's raining tacos. That's what
It's
exists.
rainbow tacos.
Woo!
We're at the dream. Tacos. I told you that was.
Wait, but please don't cheat on this one because this is too easy.
Nope. I'll try. What the? Oh yeah.
What the freak? Alex, you was gonna leave me there? But I literally died? I can't even. Oh man, I wish I had that. But it's too expensive because I only have.
How did I die? Oh,
I keep dying. Hey. Should I restart?
Yo, why am I dying?
I'm gonna like time machine.
I want a time machine. I want a time machine.
Time.
Oh yeah, boy.
You know, you could just use your rainbow carpet, right?
Oh yes.
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
Oh.
Save me though. Okay.
I can just see. No, I cheated, dude. Oh my god, this is easy.
Dang. Okay. Oh, there's two? Impossible, you little cheaters. I'm going.
Yeah. This is the
Oh, they're catching me. They're still catching me. Okay, they're gone.
You freaked me out.
You know, you do use your rainbow carpet.
Yeah, I already did.
I can just do this for fun. Alice, come on, it's easy.
No, too easy. The frick?
Stop doing it because it's too light. Oh, it doesn't work. We have to go up this ladder.
Oh, never mind. Hey,
What you mean you didn't even know?
hold on. It's too hard.
It's easy. You just
Climb
jump.
ladders.
It's easy,
Oh,
bro.
I didn't know.
Woo, if we were done this video with it.
Over here, dumb boy.
I'm sorry, I didn't know. Excuse me?
You're so white. Wait, what is my color skin, Aries?
White people. Peach. But you're not peach. You're dark. You're black. I am light blue.
No, on. Frank.
No. Alex, get back here. Turn the lights back on.
Oh! I shouldn't. It's so easy.
You shouldn't. Why didn't you turn the lights back on? I wanted you to turn on the lights.
He's coming for me. I hear him. You stupid dude. Oh, no. It's me.
Come on, he's on my back. Where are we? It's like in this haunted house.
Boy, I just went inside here and I just saw.
Ew.
Ugh.
Ugh. Is it this
Oh,
one?
yeah.
What? Who are you about to say?
Huh? I have to start over. What the?
Don't touch. You can't jump.
How?
Alex, where are you?
I just spawned all the way back.
I'm on it. Okay.
Don't make me cheat, dum-dum. You make me own it.
I want you to cheat. Oh, yeah, you can. Because this is impossible.
You stupid. You thought you were good.
Wait, you had to start all the way over there? What you mean? I'm on this one.
But help, wait. I said, but help, wait.
Bruh, come down here. Get your butt there. Use the carpet flyer.
No.
It's too easy to... No, it's not that way.
No.
I told you it's not that way. It's going to reset you.
I'm like scared right now. Because he's about to come get me. He's about to come get me.
I told you you shouldn't use that carpet.
Are you flying?
No. Oh, flying. I'm flying. Flying up the sky. Oh. Use it. Use it. Maybe I could chase it.
No!
Okay, fine. I'm gonna come back. But I'm gonna show you.
You coming?
No. You can tell you can. It's kind of
You scared me, dum-dum.
dude. I was literally looking at your screen. This demon is harming my soul. Okay, now go over here. Right here. Alma. I thought you could jump. Over here. Easy.
What happened to these people? They're just dead.
And they would jump scare you, so don't touch them. Cause I thought they were gonna do like, cause they did that to me. And they're dead. And if we touch them, the monster will come for us. Okay, I'm running for them. It's a risk.
They're coming.
Oh crap, the zombie's coming. That's what's happening.
Oh, you made me die.
I'm out of here.
Yo, it scared me. What the heck?
Come on. It's just a zombie. Dude, you have to restart. Why do you always have to restart?
I don't know. Should I get the trophy or something?
And that's a bandit train.
Aries, can we just leave? No. I want to play something else.
No, the train is leaving me. Get back here, you little risky
Please, no, you about to win.
Hold on.
No.
We played another game. until we get there. Why are the YouTube colors?
Paris. Can we play this truck game?
I should have done. Huh?
Can we play this truck game for
The truck.
please?
Hold on. I need to wait for the train. I need to get to the train. Where's the train?
It's going now.
What do you mean it's going? Wait, it's going? Oh crap, there it is. Oh crap. Oh, train. Save me, you little dummy. Oh no, man. No, you got to be kidding me. How rude.
Safe, I'm
gonna have to stay here if I get.
Dude, see? I seriously, you already win.
Nuh-uh, cause
Yes, you did.
I didn't get the badge.
That's not the badge. The train is not the badge.
No, over there is the badge.
Yeah, go. You just standing there.
Bro, look.
Why you?
So what you mean? So what you mean go? I can even go, man. I can even Joe, man.
Please don't stop. Oh, like shut up.
Man.
Like I hate this car. You know. Like what's
Open. What's open? What?
what's poppin'?
It's not fair.
I'm in a truck. Like I'm driving this ugly
Unfair.
duck. We deal with the lane. Let me drop the rope from his voice. Really, I'm driving this. Like this boy has some gun. And he only driving a car. Like, what is your problem? Like, you standing on your face. Do you need to stop acting like that? For your ugly face get on your breads. Like, who's driving this stupid? Freaking ugly dang on my Duke.
Like I need to turn the volume.
Hello, students. Today, I'ma beat this truck. And I don't like this car. So,
Oh crap. No.
Oh, what?
No.
Trying to beat me. Trying to beat you.
I guess, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching.